What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing a little unboxing video of a couple things that have came in. These are my cams that I ordered, stage 2 Brian Crower cams. It comes with technically everything that I have right here right now is everything we've been waiting for to finish assembling the motor and stuff. And this right here is what we've been needing ever since we got the car, and engine harness, which every plug seems to be good except this one. This one has been messed with. These are literally like so dirty, and I can't believe they just sent it to me like that. And this is the harness that I got from Miller Imports, and I had to wait for about 2 or 3 weeks for them to send it to me. And like, I mean, I'm really upset. That's all I gotta say. Like, I'm really upset. A black box ECU. So we got the box, black box. We got the Brian Crower cam, and we got the engine harness. And in the next video, we're gonna be taking all the wire harness. Basically, we're gonna be cleaning it up, and we're gonna be using the electrical tape that I ordered. That way, it'll look much cleaner and much nicer than that crap that it has. That'll be it for this video, you guys. I know it's short, but I'm really sorry. That's all the stuff that has came in. Well, actually, there's a little bit more stuff that's came in, but you know, I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching, guys, and subscribe for more. Peace.